Okay, we're starting by putting up the net. And so the net is a very fine net, and so you'll see what it looks like here in a minute. Have to put a post in the ground to keep it solid. And then the second pole. And then we always put a stake on it so it doesn't bend over and stays upright. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now, when we place the net, we want to make sure we place it where we think the birds are coming through. So I'm placing this net between two bird feeders, and so hopefully the birds will move through the area and get caught in the net. Okay. Trying to make sure that there's nothing that's going to get caught in my net except the birds. Because these nets are so thin, they can be easily damaged by tree limbs and other things. So it looks like there's no tree limbs in the way here. And just like the other side, we have a rebar, a pole, and I'm going to go get the stake that I left over here. Okay, and then when we open the net, we got to make sure that it's not tangled. So I always have the white one on top, and then make sure they're in the right order. Always put two below. So these nets are maybe, I don't know, 10 foot tall. And yeah, they're very fine. And so the idea is that the birds can't see them. And so they'll fly into the net and sit in a pocket where my hand is right now. They'll sit in a pocket and wait for us to take them out. But yeah, it's very fine, like a mist. That's why they're called mist nets, M-I-S-T. Now let's go open the other side. Like my stake came out a little bit, so I gotta reset that. Now that looks good. Again, the white one with the white on the end goes up. There we go. Now the net is ready to catch birds. I'm going to leave this net up for 40 minutes and then I'm going to check it to see what birds are in there. And that way, 40 minutes to catch the bird, and then I'll try to process the bird in the next 40 minutes. So that way I'm only taking about an hour and a half from their lives and getting a lot of valuable data for science. Thanks.